Rasamanikam, your privilege matter.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. I actually want to raise this as a privilege question rather than just getting up and behaving like a hooligan in this House. So let me read out my privilege issue, Honourable Speaker. I hereby wish to bring to your attention that my privilege in relation to freedom of speech was violated on the 8th of April 2021 by the comments made by Honourable Shehan Semasinghe in his speech, which I have attached. I wish the culprit was here. He was just here a little while ago. He's left the chamber. Honourable Shehan Semasinghe mentioned my name and the name of the political party I represent a few times in his speech dated 8 April 2021. The Honourable Member made reference to the speech I made on the 7th of April 2021 in the House, and it violated my privileges as a Member of Parliament. In his speech, he mentioned that I should be questioned by the Criminal Investigation Department regarding a matter that was expressed in my speech. I would like to state that as a Member of Parliament, it's well within my privilege to express my thoughts in this House without fear. I would like to urge the Honourable Speaker to take stern action against the Honourable Member of Parliament for violating my privilege of speech. Honourable Shehan Semasinghe has taken my privilege as an MP quite lightly, and this matter should be dealt with utmost importance. And I would like to urge the Honourable Speaker to take severe action against this member, who should learn to respect parliamentary traditions, and this shouldn't set a precedent for other members. I would therefore also like to request the Honourable Speaker to expunge his statement from the Hansard and take stern action against the member to ensure we are truly committed to democratic values in this House under your leadership and your guidance. Honourable Speaker, you know our party has been registered since 1949. How dare he say that we represent different sentiments? And I mean, he has the freedom to express his statements. But how dare he says that I should be taken to the Criminal Investigation Department? Honourable Speaker, this is a bad precedent that is being set, because they are trying to villainize Tamil parliamentarians here. Honourable Gajendra Kumar Ponnambalam, as soon as he speaks, as soon as he gets up, they try to villainize him. We should have the privilege to speak in this House under your leadership. If you think that we shouldn't speak, please let us know. We might as well give our time to somebody else. Let somebody else speak, because as soon as we speak, we are villainized. We are branded as different, we are branded as people who represent different ideology. I mean, that is what democracy is about. We should be allowed to come here, express ourselves without fear of oppression. I mean, this guy is trying to tell me, this honourable member is trying to say that is he playing to the gallery? Honourable Speaker, I ask you,
okay.
I beg with you.
Yes, Honourable Member.
Yes, I beg
we will
with
look
you
into
to
that
take
matter.
stern action against him, because
we will look into that matter.
No, Honourable Speaker, he is not a first-time MP. He's been here in Parliament, I think, second or third time. So he should be given a strong message so that nobody else in this House violates the privileges of speech in this House. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.